What's up? What's up? This is Simon. You're watching Cryptechology. Thank you and welcome back. It's been a minute since my last posting, but I want to let you guys what's been going on and how you can be part of this crypto winter. What do you need to do to stay alive, and what should you be focused on during this down time in the markets? So Cryptechology has become more strategic and we're ready to guide you. Our goal is to onboard as many new users, new addresses to the Web3 ecosystem. This year, we're going to focus on finishing out and preparing the requirements for our new project starting in 2023. I can't wait to share it with every single one of you. So, that's a little hint. That's a little hint. That's not a hint. But let's just take a look at the current Bitcoin price right now. Actually, that is not what I wanted to look at. That's not what I wanted to pull up. Let's do this. Let's see what's going on as of right now. So, we did just get the bear indicator, all right, on our 1 hour chart. Okay, so this is our 1 hour chart right now. The ribbon has twisted, okay, earlier today, this evening. All right, we also got a bear indicator, the first one from our first initial bull on the 22nd. But if you would at least, follow this play, so let's just go back and take a look. So if we would have made a move at on October 16th, we got in when this, so it's the 19,140, and we waited until our bear, okay, 1.5%. Yeah, it's not much. It's really not much. But you could have made a whopping 2.8%. All right, so there's really not that much movement. But hey, some people like to trade those movements as well. Now, another thing, let's go ahead and to see, I've been really following Algorand, okay? And Algo, I believe, had a good trade not just recently, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this was a solid trade on, here it goes. It was, which day was it? So the 13th of October. This is after that pullback, okay? If you would have waited for the turnaround and say you did, we got in at that 30-cent mark, it pulled back all the way to 28.64. So let's just go ahead and see what kind of, if we got in at the 30.20 and, we could have made 10%, 9.02% if we would have waited to the next signal. That's about a 5% play. If we held, so even if you would have held to just, earlier this week, on Monday, that would have been 9.9%. But you can see this was the play, all right? So you could have made between 5 to 9% on Algo just recently, all right? Now this bear just came out. We kind of got like it's a lower low, but it's like a double bottom at the same time. And this is on the hourly though, all right? So let me go to the daily real quick. The daily is not going to show us what we want because this is a more long-term macro type of strategy and play. As you can see, you don't see that really that trade like on the 3 hour. I like the 3 hour. It's long enough as well, and short enough for you to make some moves. Um, if you want to do the hourly, that's a lot too. Also change it up to the 4 hours actually too. All right. So, but on the macros look of things, let's just kind of bring everything down. Let's go back to a weekly. Let's just do a weekly. This is going to be tough. It is a week, okay? So, bear with me, but if we look at the entirety of Algorand, the majority of the volume is at this 28 cent level, which is really solid. I mean, look at this. Look at this fucking. Look at this. All right. The next is 45. All right. So this is a lot of volume. This is a lot of volume at this level. So right now, anywhere between this, let's just say 34. What is that? 36 to 24. It hasn't gone that low, but 28. All right, that 30 cent. This is an absolute phenomenal level to accumulate at. Not financial advice, but if this were the levels when it was starting out, I mean the real breakout, is the $3.27, more than when it started. That's really gonna be something. But until now, let's just say, so this is like, the first 2, 3, 4 years of this. All right, let's go take a look at Ethereum when it first started, and let's kind of see how that chart. Let me see, because this is kind of, this is what I like to do when I'm looking over the charts and stuff like that. So let's go, and I like to make sure it's the same pairing. So this is Algorand USD. All right, so let's go to Ethereum USD. Go to Binance. All right, so we'll go to the first 2 years of this. All right, let's see. So that would be, oh fuck. I don't think, am I not going to be able to go back that far? Is it not going to let me go back as far as I need to? I might have to go do a different chart. Alright, whatever. Let's just... I mean, even just look at this. I mean, look at this. No, I really wanted to look further back. But I guess this is really... So this is 2019. I mean, I wanted to see the first up to the first 100, but let me see. Let's check out Solana, because that's a decent one. Okay, so here we go. Because Solana, I mean, granted, this thing took off. Like, this thing took off. I mean, you're talking about, we had, when this thing was only, the low was 52 cents. As of, it's just going back. So like, Let me go on the daily. Maybe that might give me a little bit better, some more price action to look at, because I wasn't really seeing that much in there. All right, and yeah, I mean, look, so a strong support level, before it ran up. Wow, how so it really didn't receive volume until, like, look at this. Hold on a minute. Oh, this is on FTX though, so maybe I gotta. But so the first breakout, the initial breakout, then the pullback, and then September all the way to January was pretty much just consolidation and accumulation. So then the ribbon twist. And then it's breaking out. And even if you follow these signals, I mean, really, just look at this one. Look at this one. If you would have been paying attention, that would have been, wow, 393%. Look at that. So that's what I'm talking about. All right, that's what we're preparing for. That's what we're waiting on. We're gonna let the charts do its thing. We're gonna let the accumulation happen. All right. There's gonna be a lot of attacks on all of this, but just pay attention to your levels. Figure out what you're comfortable at. All right, and do your your risk reward right now. Since May, or actually since 2022, we're really competing for the volume here. Oh, this is the market cap. Oops. Let's look at ADA real quick. I know, because there's a lot of Cardano fans and stuff like that, and I'm sure they want to be represented as well. So let's use the Binance. OKX is a new exchange. Let's use Binance USD. Alright, so this is Cardano right now. Now, do we have, when I look at this, it's kind of similar to like what Algorand may have looked like. Alright, but the only thing is, Cardano has already ran up to its, above its original. I mean, I guess it didn't start off as high as Algo and then pulled back in. But either way, this is a nice run up, okay? From 9 cents, to fucking $2.40. Like, that is just ridiculous. That's why people, in 2020, people made so much money. Like, look at, anyone that was holding, that's a 3,319% return in 306 days, okay? Granted, maybe some people didn't hold on for that entire year, all right? But that is what was required for that type of bigger return. But you could have still traded, 1,000% in 131 days, okay? Even if you waited into the breakout, all right? So talking about, well, 498%. So there is a difference. Could you have still made your 1,000% in 100 some days? Yeah. So if you hold on, you know, could we potentially get a 445% return? Yeah, absolutely. Cardano can go back to these levels. There's no reason why it can't. Um, there is a lot of support though here at the 9 cent level. Right now, Cardano is chilling at this 33 cents, but the only thing I don't like about that is that it did break down. So let me just remove this. Let me remove the indicators. All right. And let's just give us some more price action to look at within our time frame. So we really had some strong support initially on that first pullbacks. Nice volume here. All right, and that was at the 40 cent level, and we broke that on my birthday on October 11th. Okay, we broke that 40 cent level, and now we're sitting at that 33 cent level. Now let's go back. Let me see. Is there any volume here at that 33 cent level? So 33 cents, we have some volume right here. That's not a lot though compared to where it's at. And the next strong volume consolidation is at this 13 cent level here. 13 to 15 cents. So be prepared for Cardano to go down that's another 50%, guys, okay? There's a possibility Cardano can go down another 50% from the current levels, all right? So please, be wary of that. There's no reason why after this breakdown this can continue to flush down and gain some more support and gather some more accumulation before we receive that bounce. Let's go ahead and take a look at one more. I'm going to take a look at Litecoin. All right. Let's go take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin. So Litecoin looks like it's been consolidating, all right, for a while here since May. Okay, really good consolidation. I really actually like this right here. This is strong. This is strong consolidation at $55, at 51. We're actually getting higher highs with Litecoin, all right, which is a really good sign of a consolidation accumulation. I would be concerned if we did break down under $40, but we do have a lot of volume in this range between the so let's see. Right now it's about $55 or so. All right, so some people are underwater, not by much. A lot of people from the average are underwater about 7 or 8%. That's really not that bad. Even if we were to go down to 40, you're talking about 20%. So anyone that does happen to get some Litecoin right now, potential downturn about additional maybe 30% is possible. All right, but as of right now, we're seeing some consolidation, and this really has been holding up. But if we do get continued consolidation and we go on to the next level, all right, even if we trade up to the next resistance level, all right, that is still, that's a nice 16% potential trade coming in. And the next level after that is 32% at the 74, all right? And then those that want to hold on for a little bit longer, We still have plenty of room for a 200% play. That is a um, $167 Litecoin, which it has been there before. Okay, so there's, I've been accumulating some Litecoin. Um, there's no reason why people shouldn't be using this blockchain. It's completed. It's 100% completed. It works. It's faster than Bitcoin. All right, you can use Lightning with it. You can start to incorporate and you know nodes and transactional machines in businesses right now, which this is something we're working on at PSB Advanced Technology. So at PSB Advanced Technology, we're focused on educational blockchain and blockchain as a service. We are onboarding as many individuals as we possibly can because we want to help you learn how to navigate through the Web3 space and through blockchain. So if this video was helpful, did you enjoy any of it? I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like, hit that subscribe, help me to reach more and more people. Also, take a look at the new Canva. Let me know what you think about the new site. The new site, let's go take a look at it. Where is it? Here we go. PSB Advanced Technology, bridge the gap between blockchain and you. Are you tired of being left behind? Did the last decade not go in your favor? Well, what are you going to do about it this time? What are you going to do to change the trajectory of your future self? Well, first things, we need to learn. Learning. Just do it. All right? There are plenty of people to teach. There's plenty of mentors. You have the internet in the palm of your hands, information in the palm of your hands. All right? Through the internet, through the web. And if you really want to get deep in the web, really want to get deep into things, you can learn how to code blockchain development. So learning, just do it. Enhance your future self. You can scan this to learn more about myself and my blockchain portfolio experience. But I want you to level up. I want you guys to level up and start working on your game plan. Start thinking about how you can create value within the Web3 space. And once you figure that out, the next thing that I want you to do is to connect with someone else. There's no reason why you need to hoard any of the information you obtain to yourself. There's nothing worse than becoming half wise. And being half wise is being knowledgeable and keeping information to yourself and not sharing it with others. Knowledge is meant to be shared because knowledge is meant to be executed. You need to execute on knowledge for it to be impactful. All right, so connect with others and grow your network. So, what are we going to do at PSB Advanced Technology? Well, we're going to help you learn to navigate the blockchain, the crypto flow. We're going to teach you the crypto flow. We're going to show you how you can use this technology to enhance your business, to interact with an entirely new clientele base, to establish a new revenue stream for your business, to learn how to market differently, and to learn how to collaborate and provide a more polarized marketing strategy when it comes to reaching out more people and lead generation. So if you want to learn more on how you can get some marquee focus, when I tell you about the strategy of, really growing your network at a faster rate at the same time with quality over quantity, well, you'll learn that over at PSB Advanced Technology in our learning course. So these are our tags to the Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube page. Enhance your future self. Like I said, we're going to learn to blockchain navigation. You can also learn about blockchain mining. We're going to understand how you can use this for the peer-to-peer interaction and peer-to-peer marketplace. We're going to show you about transactional reporting and how to utilize decentralized finance, yield farming strategies. So connect with me. My name is Simon. If you enjoyed this video, if you resonate with anything you saw here, please hit that like button. Please leave a comment below. Let me know how I can improve. Let me know how I can get this information out to you guys. I've been working so hard at obtaining all of this knowledge. And I'm not going to lie, I was going through some imposter syndrome, okay? I was going through feeling not good enough to share my information with any of you guys. For some reason, I felt like I wasn't there. But it wasn't until I started talking to my neighbor about it, and he was just like, bro, you need to have more confidence in yourself and what you know. He's like, you are so fucking valuable, it's not even funny. You understand this more than the majority of people, and you can at least help people get onboarded. You can help people set up their wallet. You can help people understand how not to get scammed. You can help people understand the terminology. You can help people learn how to put their money to work. You can help people learn how to create a financial report card. All right, all these things that you didn't know about that you knew that was important. And if we dive deep even further, if you can, interact with digital real estate, you can teach and prepare yourself on how to communicate with lenders and give them the information that they want to see, so you can get the investment properties and manage a $1 billion portfolio one day, because that is our goal, to manage a $1 billion commercial real estate portfolio. And we're gonna get there, and we're gonna bridge the gap between blockchain and you, and we're gonna use Litecoin to help us provide quality. There's no reason why we shouldn't be using this technology right now. All right, guys, my name is Simon. If you resonated with this, you know what to do. I'll catch you on the next one. To everyone that made it to the end, my diamond crew, I appreciate you. Let's get it. Never give up.